Yes, still on Uromi killings. If you look up, you will see the video playing. It's a presenter from Standpoint TV, and he's interviewing someone who said it's a legal advisor to the Edo North government. This is, I don't know his name, but when you look at and listen to him carefully, you will understand what he was saying. But let me give you a little of what that very man said, and it's making me to be very, very angry. Number one, he said that when the vigilante caught those 16 guys, that number one, he said that they should have been taken to the police. Secondly, he said that those hunters from the hunters from north, they hunt from north to Edo. That's now hunters now come from north, from Medugri to south. That's what he said, because he's calling them hunters. Thirdly, he said that his uncle was a hunter, and his uncle uses then gun. You understand? And that the vigilantes, I mean, those hunters, the Fulani herdsmen, Fulani killer group, we are hunters. You understand? That people should stop calling them Fulani herdsmen. You see? And again, he said that they are headers,
one of the things that is condemned,
and not that they are simply headers, not Fulani herdsmen. He changed them to be headers and hunters, not Fulani. In fact, this man is telling us to remove Fulani from them. We shouldn't call them Fulani. Please, are they IPOP or are they Amotokun, or which other group you want to call them? Please, I want to know from you. This man equally said that the vigilante in those states were that their weapons were retrieved from them by government, and they empowered Fulani herdsmen to come in. And again, he said that those vigilantes were not trained. You understand? That they need to undergo training and all, how to shoot gun, how to disarm robbers and the Fulani herdsmen and the hunters. They should teach them how to do all those things. Please, Mr. Legal Advisor, let me correct you. When you catch Fulani herdsmen with AK-47, in fact, before you come close to them, they would have taken you out. And you said eventually they are being captured, that they should be taken to police. They will bring them to you, so that you bring them to police. Which police? Police is working in Nigeria. When you bring an armed robber to police, the following day the armed robber will pay more money and they will be released. You don't know that? Talk more Fulani herdsmen that they have contact. Their brothers are in power. Babangida is there. Abdul Salami is there. Shehu Sani is there. Name all of them. They are all there. Any Fulani herdsmen, terror group that is caught will be released by them immediately. You don't know that? And you are telling people to go and bring them to police. Why should they unalive them? Why did they have to do that? Jungle justice. In a country where laws are not obeyed, in a country where the police is not working, army is not working, Air Force is not working, what you will receive is what is called jungle justice. So in Nigeria, jungle justice is allowed because nothing is working. Do you get it very clear? And again, you are telling us that your uncle was a hunter. Please, I want to ask you, when your uncle was hunting, was he going to Medugri to hunt? Was he going to Kano and Sokoto to hunt, or to Adamawa, or to Plateau, or to Benue? Was he traveling? You move from Edo with the then gun. You travel to Medugri to go and hunt what? Which animal that is not in Edo that you go to Medugri to go and hunt? Are you telling children? Are you dreaming? You are dreaming, right? I think you are dreaming, because what I see in you is a man who needs a political appointment. You don't want to say some certain things in a way that it will offend some people. That is what you are doing. Number one, you need a political appointment, but you are not getting it. You understand? Even though you want to get it, you can get it not by what you are doing. Fulani herdsmen, you even went as far as saying that you shouldn't call them Fulani herdsmen, you should call them hunters or headers. Headers that are killing people in Enugu. Headers that are killing 150 people in Akure. Headers that are killing in Ondo, killing in Osho, killing in Ogun State, killing in Kwara. killing in Plateau, they are headers to you. And why must a header go and quarrel with the farmers? Are you from that land? Does the farm belongs to you? Why would a header, according to you, a header will come to my state and be having problem with my own place, my farmers, in my own land? Is it done? It is not done. It is never done. So I want you to know, Mr. Legal Advisor, those people you are calling headers are Fulani terror group. They have come for conquest. They have come for invasion. They are not headers. Even though they are headers, why must you quarrel with the owners of the land? Do you have that singular right? The answer is no. So, Mr. Legal Advisor, the only thing I was expecting from you is to tell the groups, the Meetiala group, all the terror groups, they are the one that sent these guys. The other day, listen, look at how bigotry Yorubas are. I'm a token or what did they call them? They caught Fulani terror groups with guns. Listen, just listen. They caught this.
Some of them cannot administer elementary first aid.
The Amotokun president said that they were more than 200.
Not attacking first.
You caught them with guns, AK-47, AK-49. Do you know what Amotokun did? Amotokun called them, asked them questions. He said that some of them don't even know where they are going. That they said that they sent them to come here. They don't know the reason why they sent them. And what are you thinking? Yoruba people now say that they sent them back.
Handcuffed and taken to
you sent them back. What is happening in Akure? What is happening in Ondo State? What is happening in Ekiti? What is happening in all Yoruba land right now? Is it not killing upon killing? And you sent people with ammunition. They told you that they don't even know why they were sent and where they are going. Are you not clear that this is an invasion? It's a conquest. They have sent them waiting for direction on what to do. That is what they are doing everywhere. And you are calling them hunters. Your uncle was from Edo and he hunts in Medugri. Is that what you are telling us, Mr. Legal Advisor? And the presenter who was saying that they shouldn't be called Fulani. Your head is not correct. Both of you, I think both of you are not, you are sick. Those guys are Fulani henchmen and they are terror group. And you can see what they have done to people in several places. If you don't believe, I wish you all the best. They will soon visit you. By the time they visit your family or your relatives, because, one of these days they're going to visit either you or your family members, then you will come out and start shouting. You know, when Nigeria has not happened to you, you will not understand it until it happens to you. Immediately Nigeria happens to you, you will wake up. So those guys that were unalived, those guys did the right thing. Yes, because you cannot go to somebody's land with enough ammunition to unalive them. Mistakenly, you are caught. And people now start to shout that why should they take jungle justice? Jungle justice is allowed in a situation where the country is not moving forward. Like Nigerian case now is jungle justice, survival of the fittest. Anything you can do, anybody can suppress and move ahead. That is what Nigeria has become. So if anybody is telling you that you shouldn't do jungle justice, don't listen to that person. I tell any of you, if anybody comes to your farm, invade your farm or your crops, bring the person down. You have not committed any crime. If any man enters your farm without an invitation, with a gun on that, with such ammunition, my brother, if the Fulani guy sees you, he's going to bring you down. So bring him down before he brings you down. That is my own submission. I don't pity any of them. I don't want to pity any of them. I will never pity them. I pray they don't near my place. If they near my place, I will equally do the same thing. 100%. I will do the same thing. I tell you this. This is all I have for you guys. This is all I can present today. This legal advisor, take your time and know what you are discussing over the public, because you are sending a wrong message. I rest my case and meet me in comment section. Thank you.